Why should I build my own mail server? What are the benefits? More autonomy. If you have your own post office, you have full control over the email delivery process without having to rely on a third-party mail service provider. Secure email delivery. A post office you build yourself is usually more secure because you can customize its settings, such as adding SSL certificates, enabling encryption, etc., to protect your emails from hackers or spyware attacks. Better privacy protection. Building your own post office means you can handle all the data generated in transit yourself, thus ensuring that your privacy is better protected. More cost-effective. By building your own post office, you only need to purchase a server and install mail server software to use that server as a post office, which is less costly compared to paying a third-party mail service provider. To build a post office, you need to follow these steps. First, you need to choose mail server software, such as Postfix, SendMail, Kmail, or Exim, etc. All of these software are free, and there is a lot of documentation and tutorials available. Install the selected mail server software on your server. The installation process may vary for each software, but usually you will need to run some commands from the command line, such as yum install Postfix or apt-get install SendMail. Once you have installed the mail server software, you will need to configure it. You will need to specify some basic settings such as the post office domain name, sender address, and recipient address. Next, you need to configure your mail server to allow sending and receiving emails via SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. You will need to specify the IP address and port number of your mail server and configure your firewall to allow SMTP traffic to pass through. Finally, you need to set up your mail client, e.g. Outlook or Thunderbird, to connect to your mail server. In the mail client, you will need to specify the address, port number, username, and password of your mail server. Note that setting up a stable post office requires some technical knowledge and experience, so if you are not sure how to do it, we recommend you to consult a professional technician.